everyone. I'm Heather from the Nocatee Welcome Center, and it's Walkthrough Wednesday, and I'm thrilled to be with my friend Mark of Providence Homes by Bill Seller. And this is an exciting time because we're in Heritage Trace at Crosswater. And Heritage Trace is one of the hottest neighborhoods in Nocatee, and it's sister Freedom Landing, so you can talk to Mark about that. Yeah. But he's got a beautiful, beautiful, ready to move in now home that he's going to show us. So thanks for having us, Mark.
Thank you, Heather. Always a pleasure to go review some of our homes. So today we're looking at the Magnolia. It's by Providence Homes. It's a 4-3, 2,806 square foot, 3-car tandem garage, and a separate den, study, or flex space, if you will. On the front of the home, as we were just looking at, we've got a beautiful front entry and enough place to sit out front and enjoy the kids out front playing.
There really is a nice covered area, which is always nice for when you have kids.
So as we come in, you can see the gorgeous hardwood floors. Those run throughout the entire living space.
And Carlene, I want you to take some pictures and put online, only because I love the elevation of this house and showing the beautiful garages. So I do want to make sure we do that online.
That's one of the new Crosswater early Americana, what's called Queen Anne style. So it's got some shaped shingle and some really gorgeous detail on the outside.
Yeah, I noticed that as I drove up. So I love these bedrooms. So this is 2 front bedrooms, Mark. Tell us about it.
Yeah, you've got 2, right as you come in, you've got kind of a Jack and Jill setup where you've got a bathroom in the middle, 2 good-sized bedrooms, closets, plenty of space.
And I love a linen closet. Yeah. So Carlene, as you go by, you'll see the linen closet going into the 2nd bedroom. I just think that's important to point out. So lots of storage. And you'll see, as we go through this house, I'm very impressed with the amount of drawers, cabinets, and storage that Providence Homes has.
Definitely. So that's the front bedroom. Now, a lot of natural light up there. Yeah, good view out front.
I love that. Now look at, did you call this a gallery, Mark?
Yeah, so as you come in, instead of dumping right into a living room, you've got kind of an event, what we call a gallery. It gives you a great opportunity to hang artwork, family photos, but it gives you a transition from the entry into the actual home itself, or the great room. This one's trimmed out nicely with crown molding. You have a step tray ceiling up at top, again, kind of framing out this gorgeous area. And then just to the left, you've got your access to the 3-car tandem garage, which gives the buyer plenty of room for all their outdoor activities, the bikes, the scooters, all the storage. And then that's a little drop zone niche. Can easily be outfitted with some cabinets, or kind of like a mudroom cabinet situation there.
And it really is large. We never can give it justice on camera, but it's a very wide gallery and large drop space. So I want to let the viewer know that. So that's why you got to call Mark and see him right now, because it doesn't. The camera never does it justice.
Yeah, this wing makes for a nice split. So you've got an independent bedroom all by itself. You know, if your guests come over, in-laws, and or for an additional bedroom for your kids. But it's private. It's got its own hall bath. There's a huge living room.
Huge closet.
Yeah, you've got to walk in on this one.
See, that's really nice. Yeah. And I asked Mark earlier if Providence Homes gets a lot of inquiries about multi-generational living, and he said this would be perfect floor plan if you did have that relative living with you, because this room is separate from those 2 front bedrooms, and actually separate because this door, we're not going to go in it right now, this is my most exciting space in Providence Homes.
Yeah.
But it's separate from everybody, which is really nice. Oh, Curly, show this. I do.
Yeah. So this is the double door hall storage. Great place to keep extra linens and just more storage. Yeah. Who doesn't need more storage?
Well, think about it. Your paper towels, your stuff, all the big box stores, you can throw it in there, which is great. Okay, now we get into your great room. Look at the ceiling tile. Beautiful, beautiful trees.
So this one's outfitted with the family room tray, and it's trimmed out with chair rail, crown molding, the additional LED lights. Gives you a nice, crisp, bright family space.
It's beautiful.
Thank you. Yeah.
Beautiful, and I love how it opens up right into the kitchen. So when you're cooking and entertaining, you're always with your guests in this home. That I do like. Okay, the pantry. One of my other favorite things, a huge walk-in pantry.
Yeah, step right in. This thing is huge.
It really, really is. And there's so much more you can do, because they just put some shelving in here, some wire shelving, but you really can go all the way to the ceiling. There is so much space in there, that pantry. And then beautiful stainless steel appliances.
Yeah, this has a unique kind of angled kitchen, which gives you more counter space. The island is massive. It's got a seating side, and then around the front here, this is kind of unique for one of our. We have 3 different island styles in the Magnolia. This is outfitted with soft close, and it's a fully extended door, so you can actually reach all of the items in the back if you lose the potato peeler. It could be back here, but anyway, and then when your kids try to slam it, it has that patented soft close. So
I love that.
really a great feature to have, and as you're dining, this extra cabinetry gives you storage for silverware and plates and whatnot.
And this has the farm sink, which I love. I love, love, love that huge sink. And I want to point out, when Mark was showing the seating area, it actually made me think, if you have children, even small children or teenage kids, this is a space they could do their homework. There's actually plugs right underneath it, so if you can hook up that laptop if you need to, but yet you're still in their space. Because I know as a parent, I want to still be around my child as he does his homework. So I do love this little area.
Yeah, it's for an open little homework station. That's
It really, really is. And when I saw that plug, it immediately made me think, okay, this is incredible. So huge, huge dining area. You can put a long rectangle table, huge circle table. You could do built-ins if you needed to along the walls.
Sure.
But this to me is another big selling point, Mark.
Yeah,
the
for
privacy.
outdoor living in Florida is such a beautiful thing. So this one features a private conservation view, almost 50 foot of backyard. If you wanted to put in additional outdoor living and or pool, there's definitely room for that. We've put together a really neat, what we call privacy wall. If you pan it to the right, that gives you, just a nice cozy atmosphere to enjoy the outdoor barbecues and the outdoor space. So.
But I mean, this wall is so tall, which is incredible. So you really are separate from your side neighbor, and you really have your own private space and this incredible view all the way to the beautiful preserve.
Yeah, this patio is almost 20 by 20. You've got extra gas outlet to hook up the barbecue.
Yes.
Definitely a great entertaining area. It's got additional wires for braces for ceiling fans if you want to add those as well.
Oh, this house is going to sell quick. It really is checking off so many boxes that people are looking for. This Magnolia floor plan is one of my favorites by Providence.
What we're finding this time of year between now and August, it's definitely one of the houses that's going to move quick as we approach the school year. So
and one
a lot of
story.
showings. Yes,
I
all
think
one level living.
Over 2,800 square feet of one story is incredible. Okay, this space, Mark, tell us about it.
Yeah, so this is unique. Usually you have offices either in the middle of the house, front of the house, but this particular thing, we've nestled the study or the den on the back of the house. So you can take advantage of the great views out back. It's got 3 windows for natural light. It's got the French doors for privacy and extra lighting again above on the ceiling. So this makes for a great either den, office. You could use it even as a playroom for the kiddos if you like. And then we kind of go into the owner's suite.
I love that. And I want to point out, when Mark was showing that study, I also thought, Carlin, show this angle. This is a separate area right here, coming from the kitchen. So you really are separate from the rest of the house in your study, and you can close these solid doors, and you can put a little sign like, "Don't bother me, I'm working." Or for a mom, I need a break time.
Right.
Okay, now we can get into the beautiful owner's suite.
Fantastic owner suite. Again, oversized, plenty room for king bed, great windows for light, great view of the backyard. Just all the space you need in the owner suite for sure.
And to wake up to that view.
Yes, so this actually faces east. That's a good point. You get some morning sun, get the coffee on the back porch, and it's just a great open area. Yeah, definitely a nice view.
Yeah, this location is key in this neighborhood. And again, beautiful bathroom. Providence Homes always does a great job. You've got the 2 sinks. You do have a nice soaking tub. And the shower, it's large enough, but not too big, which I do like.
Yeah.
So you can, you know what, you can dry your clothes in there. And wash some clothes, dry it in there. I mean, it's wide enough. Okay, I love the Providence Homes closets. Okay, come on through. Amazing closet. And you just saw a sneak peek. You saw a sneak peek. The laundry room. I mean, I'll still go back to that first time I went into a Providence home. It was like Christmas Day. I'm not kidding you. I was knocked out, and it was something I'll always remember. So this is incredible. You have the beautiful wide laundry room. And Mark pointed out, show us some great amenities already in here. You've got some cabinets.
It's completely outfitted with upper cabinets, lower cabinets. You got a folding station. You've got the soaking tub, or not soaking tub, but the utility sink. Plus, it's got a little towel bar up here. You can dry some of your delicates. But it is a complete laundry room outfitted for family. If you
and then this door, just to remind you, goes to that front separate bedroom. So if you do have, whether it's that older child or that adult parent living with you, they too can drop the stuff in the laundry room, but yet you have your privacy with the door closed right here. So you have lots of options. But if nobody is living with you besides your immediate family, I say leave them all open. Air it out, air it out. Okay, Mark. Providence Homes is known for their Energy Star certification.
Yeah, so, we're one of the very few Northeast Florida builders that build 100% every single home Energy Star certified. On top of that, we do use the conditioned attic spray foam technology. Just keeping chocolate in the attic is kind of a silly thing. However, it drives home the point that you have a different home. You have a home that is quieter, cleaner, more comfortable. Having a conditioned attic is just saving you that efficiency. So,
yeah. It's huge.
It's a huge deal.
It's a huge deal, and people do ask about it. And they're always like, which builder is it? So it's exciting that Providence Homes has that special certification. So I want to remind people, we are with Mark of Providence Homes by Bill Seller. This is an amazing community, heritage trace at Crosswater. I want to quickly point out, you have an amazing, amazing park right down the road. It's called the Schoolyard. We've got playgrounds. We've got a dog park. You've got covered pavilion. You are 2 miles tops to your feet in the intracoastal water, sidewalk the whole way. The beautiful kayak launch. They're calling it a paddle launch on the side. So again, please call Mark today. This home is going to go quickly. So if he doesn't have this one available for you, he's going to build you another one. All right. Thanks for watching Walk Through Wednesday.
Bye.
Bye.